previously has been in project management, and she's been very nice, very courteous, and I invited her to share with me.
Education team under Gardens by the Bay, and it's like an amazing race.
You always have this a layout, and the layout must be clear. Lay out your margin paper and for you to write and draw.
They call Kingfisher.
Yeah, that's right.
We do the presentation in here, and this is the page.
And coming out to present is that I'm producing or discussing and talking and presenting my work.